Biotronix urinary incontinence chair, Kegel exercise chair, 7 Tesla with the magnetic field. So you can see the device quality, and this is how the device looks like that. This is the touchscreen panel display. These are the wheels. You have the brakes in the wheel. You can see the quality of the product, the wheels and everything. And this is touchscreen. This is the magnetic area where the patient sit, and it will get the magnetic field of 7 Tesla and with different protocols, and it will help you perform Kegel exercises using magnetic field. So now the device looks like that. You can see at the back side also there are two fans to cool off the circuit and everything. You can see the quality, and you can see this is the back area and this is the sitting area. But this device from the Biotronix, it is totally like one piece a molded chair, not like wooden at the back side and which is attached to in the like other models in the market is having. That thing is different, and that is the different, and they attach the same with it and the wooden. So when the patient put pressure at the back side, like patient sit, when it will keep on pressing the same, those models usually got damaged because that is not a totally molded thing. It is a wooden base, and that is the base where patient sit. But this device, this chair, is totally molded one. The plastic, the fiber, you can see, everything is just molded out of it, and then the resin is put on the same. So you can see this is totally molded. With plastic and everything, it is molded. Now I will show you the demo of the device by operating the same. So you can see I have already connected at the back side. I switch it on like this. So you can see the light and everything coming out of the same, and you can see Biotronix solution forever. So we are the importer of the same, and this is Biotronix product, and you will get the display over here at the logo. Once you touch the display, you will get into the interface. So you can see over here, protocol 1 and protocol 2. So protocol 1, you have to select gender, male or female, the age group or buttock area, and go. Here you have the option for intensity control and the time control. So you can set in between 30 minutes anywhere. If you want to select 30 minutes, you can put anywhere, like if I select 10 minutes, and intensity 1 to maximum. So this is 100 is the maximum, and 10 minutes I have selected. Here you can just adjust the intensity and time. Now I start the same, so you can hear the sound of the magnetic field. Now I will show you how magnetic field is coming. So you can see this area where the magnetic field is coming. So you can hear the sound. You can hear the sound in the video. Let me be quiet and you can hear it. You can see the frequency also getting changed in between. Now you can see how magnetic field is coming out. So you can see when the patient sits over there, that magnetic field of 7 Tesla will contract and relax the Kegel, the pelvic muscles, and it will strengthen the same. So these are the small pieces of metal which I put over that magnetic field. So you can see those pieces dancing. So in the magnetic field, they are dancing. So when the patient sits, the Kegel area of the patient, the pelvic area of the patient, it gets contraction and relaxation, and intensity you can control from here. So this is how the pelvic strengthening happens using the magnetic field. So I am taking it out, and it was the protocol 1. I am getting the same stop, going back, and protocol 2. Now what is protocol 2? In the protocol 2, where in the protocol 1 you have the option for intensity and time only. Here you have the option for time, and you are having intensity option, intensity control 1 to 100, like you can see, and F1, F2, F3. There are 3 frequency, F1, F2, F3. You can put in between F1 1 to 100 Hertz, F2 1 to 100 Hertz, and F3 1 to 100. Like if I put F1 in the lower frequency range like 40, I can go up to 40, I can go up to 100, but I am putting 14 Hertz. In the F2, I am selecting the middle frequency range, like I selected 54. And F1, I am for showing the demo, I am selecting at the maximum. So I have selected 100 Hertz. So F1 lower, F2 middle range, and F3 100. Now I will show you the demo of the same, and time I have selected 16 minutes, intensity I have selected 100%. So you can gradually increase the intensity when the patient is for showing the demo I am using the intensity as 100. So I start the same, so you can hear the sound. This is the 5 hertz. Oh, sorry, this is the 14 hertz. I have selected the lower frequency in F1. So this is the F1, and you can see the metallic piece dancing in lower frequency range. Now it has gone to the 54 hertz. So it is 54 hertz, so you are getting F2 coming. So you will be getting F1, F2, F3, all these three frequency you set, and one by one alternately. So you can see it is the F2. So just wait for a while and you will get the F3 also, and F3 I have selected 100. So this is the F3. So you can hear the sound also, and you can see the pieces dancing too. It is dancing in the different manner in F3 frequency, and so you can see in the F1, F2, F3. So in the protocol 2 you are getting 3 frequency. You can vary the same in between 1 to 100 hertz. All the 3 frequency you can vary in between 1 to 100 hertz. And intensity control and timer control you have. But in the protocol 1 you can have just intensity and time control. Frequency will keep on varying. And so you can see now I will share you can see the demo with the patient. So now you can see patient will sit on the same. So you can see as the patient sit, I have already put the same parameter. You can see 14 hertz, 54, 100 hertz, intensity to the maximum, and time. The program is going on, and now patient is getting the magnetic field. So now the intensity has the frequency is F3. You can hear the sound change, and patient is experiencing the contraction and relaxation in the pelvic area. So patient is experiencing the same, and this device is very incredible for the older age people or the female which is having urinary incontinence and all the other pelvic area related issues. So because all the diseases which relates to the pelvic area like urinary incontinence and all the sexual related disease or everything, they all connected to the pelvic area. When your pelvic muscle is weaker, so you get all these diseases, like, and there are a range of the disease you are getting from the weaker pelvic area. So once you focus on the pelvic area for the strengthening of the same, you can do the Kegel exercises manually, but all the patient can't perform the same. But this device, magnetic field, you just have to sit on the chair, and magnetic field is performing all the Kegel exercise, contraction and relaxation in your pelvic area. And when contraction and relaxation are providing, strengthening of the pelvic muscles happen, and that is why recovery happens. So urinary bladder control will become more perfect, and all the other related issue to the pelvic area, it will become so it will strengthen the area, and the issue will start on going, and symptom will keep on decreasing. So this is the device, and Biotronix here international, we are the importer of the same. So hope I have explained everything in that video. Thank you for watching the same.